In order to make a slip stitch, you will go into the next stitch that you need to work in. In this case, I have my chain and I have folded it in half so that I can join to make a ring. Go in and get the yarn and pull back up. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. And now you're going to go back through the first loop on your hook. So the big thing here is to not go and get the yarn again, because then you will have made a single crochet, and that was not what we were going for. So now I have a chain that is a ring, and I'm going to show this a couple more times. So basically what I've done is I've just crocheted a bunch of chains, then I have folded it in half, and now I'm going to go into that first stitch that is up by the tail and by my thumb right now. So I'll go into the stitch and I'll go grab the yarn and pull it back through. I'm going to try until I succeed. So here, and I'll go back through, pull up, and then I'll go back through the first stitch on my hook. You use this stitch primarily to join things, and that is because it is sort of small compared to the other stitches. If you joined with something like a single crochet or double crochet, you'd have all that yarn lying underneath the stitch and it will be a bulky join. A slip stitch is sort of it's not invisible, but it's a very subtle, I think, join. Now again, we'll go into the stitch that you need to join in. We'll grab the yarn and go back through and pull up, and then you will pull back through the stitch on your hook, and that completes the slip stitch. And I'm just showing you here with a chain, but you can of course do this in in all of your crochet projects. So this is the way often that we end a round if we're working flat rounds, or it's the way that we end a round if we're working in cylinder. And yeah, it's a very useful thing to know. And there are actually a couple of other ways of doing this, and let me know if you want me to show you how to do other types of joins. It has become a bit of an obsession of mine to make like neat joins, so especially on color changing rounds. So let me know if that's something that you would be interested in watching. I hope there's an angle in here where you can see what I am doing and have some success with doing slip stitches, and I hope that you have a very nice day.